Hello, my friends. Today, we will talk about such fish as piranhas. Piranhas live mainly in the rivers of the Amazon, Orinoco, and other freshwater systems of South America. They are heat-loving fish that prefer calm waters rich in vegetation where they can hide from predators and wait for prey. Despite their predatory image, most species feed on much more than just meat. Their diet varies from fish and insects to seeds, fruits, and aquatic plants. Some species even switch to a completely plant-based diet at certain periods of life. The mechanism of the piranha bite has long attracted the attention of biomechanics. The red-bellied piranha can have a bite force of up to 320 newtons, making it one of the most biting fish in the world relative to its size. This allows piranhas to tear out pieces of flesh even from larger fish or mammals. However, attacks on people are extremely rare and are usually associated with provoking factors: heat, low water levels, spawning, pollution, food shortages. Piranhas are social fish. Many species live in schools, but not to attack, but for defense. In a group, it is easier to spot a predator and avoid an attack. Sometimes they can unite when hunting, but as a rule, this is unorganized aggression, but rather a collective reaction to blood or injured prey. The schooling instinct also allows them to avoid cannibalism, because in a confined space or when food is scarce, piranhas can attack each other. Piranhas also have highly developed senses. Their vision is sharp, especially in turbid water, and their sense of smell allows them to detect even traces of blood in the water from a long distance. The lateral line, a sensory system running along the sides, helps to detect vibrations in the water and the movements of potential prey. Piranhas reproduce during the rainy season when rivers overflow, creating ideal conditions for spawning. Males become brighter, more aggressive, and prepare nests. Shallow depressions in the mud or sand. The female lays eggs there, and the male protects them from predators. The young develop quite quickly, and after a few weeks, the little piranhas begin to lead an independent life. Despite their terrible reputation, piranhas themselves become victims of many predators: caimans, river dolphins, large catfish, otters, and even birds. People also pose a threat. Piranhas are actively caught for food, their meat is valued for its taste, and dried or salted individuals are sold in markets. Some species are at risk of extinction due to habitat destruction and water pollution. The cultural significance of piranhas goes beyond biology. In South America, they often appear in local legends and beliefs, sometimes as a symbol of destruction and sometimes as guardians of rivers. In world culture, piranhas have become an emblem of danger, often exaggerated. Their image is used in films, comics, video games, but reality shows a more complex portrait. Piranha is not a mindless predator, but the result of millions of years of evolution, adapted to life in an aggressive, competitive environment. In recent years, piranhas have increasingly become objects of aquarium keeping. They attract attention with their appearance and behavior, but require complex care, spacious aquariums, precise temperature maintenance, and a special diet. In a number of countries, keeping piranhas is regulated or even banned due to the threat of their invasion of local ecosystems if accidentally released. Understanding piranhas as part of the ecosystem helps us not only better perceive these amazing creatures, but also treat the rivers and forests of South America more carefully in general. Piranha is not a symbol of horror, but one of the most striking manifestations of the diversity of life on the planet. And the more we learn about it, the clearer it becomes that even the most frightening image can hide harmony, balance, and beauty underneath. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it.